Alright, so it didn't take me long to figure out what actually happened there. Let me explain it to you. Alright, so what happens in this is I had to delete it and start again, but I now know if I ran this now it would be an infinite loop, because what we're doing is we're just doing this until guess num equals R&D num. Well, guess num is getting asked for up here, right? But it's not getting asked again. So what we need to do is, and this is a good opportunity for me to explain this really, really well, we need to do another one, and we need to say, alright, let's get guess num again. In this case, we're going to say input box. Why don't we fix this up to say actually in here what it says up there? So let's say plus your name plus, bear with me, this is going to take a little while, but plus so MRB, your guess was, and we'll close that and say and your guess and your guess and that was too low. Full stop. Please guess higher this time. Please guess higher this time in the box below. Press OK. No, I won't say press OK. Let's just do that. You get the idea now. So that's a big long thing, and save time. I'm gonna do a tidy up video later on, but we need to put that in. Let's copy this and we'll put it, drop that down, we'll put it there, but this time your guess was too high. Please guess lower this time. Alright, and we don't need this message box anymore. We can delete that one because we're guessing, we're now prompting them to guess it and we're telling them what they need to guess. Alright, so now it should be neat and tidy. Let's see if I get into an infinite loop this time. Alright, let's run the program. Okay, 45. Hang on, let's stop this. Okay, cancel that. Drop out. Yeah, mismatch. Right, so let's go back to just a blank basic Excel and then run the program. So I've got a section sheet open. I had to work out how this was in an infinite loop. So we've got MRB 45. Yeah, I've seen that 1,000 times. 54 is the number. Let's try 45 as our guess. It's going to drop into the loop. MRB, your guess was, and that was too low. Oops, I've done something wrong there. Please guess higher this time in the box below. I need to find out why my syntax is incorrect, so I'm going to say okay. Congratulations. So it worked. Your guess plus your name and your guess and plus your name was, and your guess. Oh, not your guess. It's not your guess, sorry, it is guess num. Silly me. So there you go, you've got to make sure your variables are all correct, otherwise nothing works. So guess num, and let's run that again just to see what happens. Hello, what is your name? Yep, 45 again. Let's see what the number is now. 58, okay. Could you please guess a number between 1 and 100? 56. And it should say your guess was 56, and that was too low. Please guess higher this time. 58. And you'll notice all my syntax is all correct, and bingo, I got it correct, and that is all working. So that's the control structures nailed. Now what we need to do is, I think we need to add some features to this guess game. The first one we're going to add is we wanted to count how many guesses we get it. So this message box says, congratulations, you guessed the number correct, which was da 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 da, and it took you this many guesses. So we might add a new integer called count, and we're going to do something with count, and that will be in the next video. So I hope you understand the three control structures. So sequence, this is all happening in a sequence. Selection is a binary selection where we have two options. A case selection where we have a number of options, but we cut it down because that was our third one. Then we have loops where we do a pre-test loop, and this one here is a post-test loop where we're doing something until guess num equals a random number. So I hope this helps a lot. Now we're going to add some major features into this guess game to make it, a guess game on steroids, basically. I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye.